PPT is visible to you? आपको PPT दिखाई दे रही है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, on last one, we are discussing about bottom-up parsing or LR parsing. Okay. You have seen a simple shift reduce parser using a buffer and stack. Then you find the difficulty in identifying the handle. So for operator grammar, you have gone through about the special type of parsing that is called operator precedence parsing. For that, in that we have defined the precedence relations among the operators, means among terminal symbol, on the basis of the precedence relation. During parsing, we decide the handle. Okay. But in the case of general parsing, how we decide the handle? For that, we use LR parser. You know, LR means first L means scanning. This parser scans input string that is to be parsed from left to right. R, second R means it is for rightmost derivation. Okay, you can see in the case of bottom-up parsing, we get rightmost derivation in reverse, and we have already defined handle in same manner. Handle is a substring of a right sentential form. If we replace it by its left side, matching one of the production of the grammar, and if you replace by its left side, we will get the previous right sentential form. And grammar supporting this parsing is called LR grammar. Actually, we say LRK grammar. K is the number of look ahead symbol to decide the action. Okay, how many symbols from the input buffer are to be considered for deciding the action? That is the K. Okay. Now see the structure of the parser. This is the structure of the parser. We have input buffer. This is input buffer. In which we have input string, means the stream of token produced by the lexical analyzer. We have input pointer. This is input pointer, and stack. As in the case of shift reduce parser, you have seen the stack we have used. We have a parsing program, LR parsing program, that use that is responsible for generating the syntactic structure of the stream of token generated by the lexical analyzer. It consults two tables. One is action table, another is go-to table. Means LR parsing table consists of two fields. One is action, another is go-to. Okay. We will discuss what we have in this. Here, stack. If you see the stack we have used in the simple shift reduce parser, the content of stack is nothing but grammar symbol. It may be either terminal or non-terminal. But here, the content of stack is grammar symbol along with state. Now we have state. I have told you that to decide the action, if we have a production in the grammar like A, X1, X2, X3, X4, then during the parsing, if we are parsing this construct shown by non-terminal A, then there are four possibilities. We may be at this position of the parsing, this construct. We may be at this position, or this position, or this position, or this position. So each position will say about a state of the parser. Okay, we are at this position, then that is a state. Okay, so we will define a state like this. So here we have the state as well as the grammar symbol. Now come to the table of the parser, LR parser. It consists of two fields. One is action, another is go to. In action, we have four types of entries. One is, means in the case of simple shift reduce parsing, you have seen the four possible action. So all four possible actions are defined in the action field. First is shift, second is reduce, third is accept, and fourth is error. Okay, and in go to field, we have the state of the parser. Okay, and how we get the state, that will we use DFA through to get the state. Okay, if we are at this position, then what will be the next position? If current input symbol is this, means how means we will consider the current input symbol. If we are in this state and the occurrence of this input symbol from input buffer, what will be the next state? So in this type of transition we will consider, and accordingly we record in go to field. Okay. Same thing is get explained here. See, structure of the parsing table, action field, shift. Okay, action field, what we have, we can come back to same place. Shift is written like this. Means how we have a table. Table is like this. This table, it can have action field and go to field. Okay. Here we have states, and here we have the terminal symbol like ID, plus, asterisk, and so on. So suppose state 0. So in action field, if we have S4, 0 S4, means it is action, state 0, ID is nothing but S4. S4 means action is shift and next state is 4. So what we have to do? We have to push the current input symbol onto the stack and push the next state 4. Okay. Next possible action is reduce. Suppose, okay, you can see here, I will just, it is written reduced by a particular production, means A to beta. Okay. So beta must be on top of stack, this stack, because beta is the handle at this very junction when you go for the reduce operation. So what we have to do, and if you see the content of stack, you have grammar symbol along with the states. Okay. So if mod beta is n, then how many symbols will cover this beta? N into 2 symbol, because each symbol is followed by a state. So what we have to do? We have to pop out mod beta into 2 symbol of the stack and push in the left side of the production, that is A, onto the stack. Okay. And for the when you pop out mod beta into 2 symbol of the stack, then you must have a state. Suppose that state is S dash on top. S dash on top. Then what we do? We push in A, means now S dash onto A. You have left side of the production, and here you must have the state. From where you will get the state, you have to consult, go to S dash A. You have to consult this go to field, and there you have a state T. You can enter the state T. Okay. So this is the reduce action. What we have to take if action is reduced. See, next is your accept. Accept means successful termination of the parsing. You have completed the parsing. Now come to the configuration of the parser. Just see. Here, come back. Here, if your input pointer is pointing to AI, it means the symbols to the right of the input pointer are to be considered for parsing. Okay, and this is the content of the stack. Then an order pair S0 XM minus 1 SM minus 1 XM SM, and here AI dot AN dollar. This order pair is the configuration of the parser at this very junction. Okay. And to perform next action, what we have to do, we have to just refer this state SM and current input symbol AI. We have to look in action SM and AI. This in this table action field, this table. If action is shift, then accordingly you have to shift onto the stack and configuration is get changed. Just see. This is SM and AI will say about the next action. This SM and AI will say about the next action. Means action SM AI is suppose shift S. Then configuration will be, just see, you have to shift AI onto the stack and next state is S. Then configuration will be S0, X1, S1, XM and SM, older content of stack, followed by AI and next state is S. We have with the action, okay, and here we have AI plus 1 and so on, AN dollar. This is the modified configuration of the parser after shift S action. Now you can refer SM action SM AI may be reduced by production number 8, production A to alpha. Reduced by this production. In that case, what you have to do? You have to pop out mod alpha into 2 symbol of this tag. Okay. And push in the left side of the production, that is A, this A, along with go to the state in go to field, indicated as I have told you. So here you can see the configuration is get changed accordingly. Okay. Then accept successful parsing, and this is if a particular action is not defined, then you have to call error service routine to handle the error. This is LR parser. Actually, we have on last turn I have told you that we have 3 type of LR parser. One is SLR, CLR, and LALR. SLR means simple LR parser, CLR means canonical LR parser, LALR means look ahead LR parser. We use same algorithm for all the parser. The difference is in the table of these parser, and accordingly we say this is SLR parser, this is CLR parser means canonical LR parser, and this is LLR parser. Only on the basis of the table. The driver program is same. Okay. So now come to the example. We have this table. Look into this is the grammar. You are familiar with this grammar. We have 6 production. Now come to this table. In this table, we have 2 fields. One is action, another is go to. Okay. These are the state. We have 0 to 11, total 12 states of the parser. Okay. Now, in action field, we have action for all the terminal symbol ID plus asterisk opening bracket closing bracket and dollar. In go to field, we have non-terminal of the grammar ET and M. Now look into the actions. You just see here. If action is one plus, then it is written as 6. What it means? One means if your parser is in state 1, where you will get this state, it is on top of stack. Top of stack means TOS of the parser will pointing to 1. And current input symbol is plus. In that case, what you have to do, the action S6 means the plus is to be 6 shifted onto the stack and next state is 6. Okay. Similarly, you just see this R4. R4 means reduced by production number 4, this. If your for this action will be action state is 3, this state is 3 and current input symbol must be asterisk. Then you will get R4. R4 is nothing but T to F. So this is T is A, F is beta. So mod beta is 1. So you have to pop out 2 symbol of this stack and push in T and go to you have to go to consult go to field for the state after this T onto the stack. Similarly, here we have except 1 and dollar. Your parser is in state 1 and current input symbol is dollar. Then it should announce successful completion of the parsing. Okay. These are the go to field. Means 0 means after popping out mod beta into two symbol of this stack. If state 0 is on top of stack and you are replacing with E, in that case go to 0 E is 1. So next state and after E should be 1. If you are replacing with T, then it will be 2. If F, then it will be 3. Like this. Okay, now see example. We'll discuss how this parser works. Then we will discuss how to construct this table. Okay. Suppose initially stack has 0, start state is 0, and input will have the string to be parsed, id plus id into id. Now I have told you to start, it will first consult action 0 on top of stack and current input symbol is id. So 0 id. Wait. It is now it should be visible to you. 0 and id means if you consult this table, it is S5. Okay, means action is shift, so it will shift id, this id will be here, and next state is 5. It is shifted. Now after shifting, your input pointer will point to plus. Okay, plus and 5 will say about next action. You refer, plus is this and 5 is this, R6. R6 means reduced by production number 6. It means right side of the production must be available on top of a stack. You can prune out the handle. Just see how. What you have to do? You have to pop out. Means if you have A to beta, recall, then you have to pop out beta into 2 symbol. Be mod beta into 2 symbol of the stack. Mod beta here is only one symbol. So you have to pop out 2 symbols, this 5 and this id of the stack. Push in left side of the production, that is F. Okay, and next state will be go to 0F. Go to 0F is nothing but 3. Okay, this will be the configuration after this action. Now next iteration, you can refer the this is the parsing program. I have already discussed, and we are using this parsing program to parse using the table. Okay, come back. It is already explained. Now 3 and plus. 3 and plus. It will go for next iteration. So 3 and plus will say about the next action. 3 is here, plus is here, means action is R4. R4 means again reduce by production number 4. This again pop out mod beta into 2 symbols, means you have to pop out F and 3. Push in left side of the production, go to 0 T is 2. You have to push in this also. Now you have to go for the next. After completing this action, you have to go for the next iteration. Go to now 2n plus will say about the next action. 2n plus, that is R2. R2 means reduced by production number 2. Again repeat the process. This is 0, e to t minus e, and go to 0, e is nothing but 1. Okay. If you see, consider the construction of the parse tree, then you have shifted id, create a leaf node, then reduce it to f, internal node, to t, an internal node, to e. That what we have discussed, already discussed. Now 1 and id, 1 and plus, not id, 1 and plus S6 means now you can shift plus, next state is 6, and it is shifted. Now it will point, your pointer will point to this id. Now 6 and id. 6 id means S5. Then shift id, next state is 5. It is shifted and pointer will now point to asterisk. 5 and asterisk. R6. R6 again you have to pop out. R6 means this. F2 ID. Actually R6, R1, R2, R3. What it means? This is R means reduce, 6 means production number. If it is written R1, reduced by production number 1. If it is written R2, reduced by production number 2. Okay. Now see, come to this very place. 5. 5 and asterisk. 5 and asterisk R6. So R6 is reduced by production number 6. FID. So you have to pop out 2 symbol of this tag. Push in left side of the production. You will get left side of production is F. And go to 6F will give the next state. Go to 6F is nothing but 3. Okay. Now 3 and next input symbol is asterisk. Asterisk will say about the next action. It is R4. R4 means F should be reduced to T. So you will get 0 E 1 plus 6 T. Go to 6T is 9. Go to 6T is 9. Okay. Now we go for the next iteration of the parsing. It will look top of stack having state 9. इसको कंप्लीट कर दिया जाए. Now see 9 and next asterisk will say about the next action. 9 and asterisk S7. It will shift asterisk and next state is 7. And in input buffer you have ID followed by dollar. Okay. 7 and ID. 7 and ID means S5. This. So 7 and ID means shift ID. Next state is 5. Now you have only dollar in the input buffer. Now 5 and dollar. You just look. S6. S6 is nothing but this production. Okay. F2 ID. So pop out 2 symbol of the stack. Push in left side of the production. You will get E plus 69 asterisk 7. And here you have F. 7 and F. Go to 7F. If you see, it is 10. Here you have dollar and pointed by IP, input pointer. Okay. 10 and dollar. 10 and dollar say R3. R3 is nothing but T into F. 3 symbol. So you have to pop out 6 symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 symbol of the stack and push in left side of the production. So you will get E1 plus 6 and left side of the production is T. Go to 60 will give the next state. Go to 60 is 9. Here you have dollar. Okay. At each state you will see the parser, configuration of the parser. Okay. Now 9 and dollar. 9 and dollar will say R1. R1 is nothing but it is E2 E plus T. Pop out 3 into 2, 6 symbol of the stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push in left side of the production. That is E. Go to 0, E is 1. Here you have dollar. Now action 1 and dollar is nothing but accept. That is successful completion of parsing. We will discuss again one thing more. If you remove the states from the configuration, means how you will find the configuration at any stage. You just record the each state of configuration of the parser after applying an action each time. So you will get what you will get. You will get a sequence of configuration of the change in configuration of the parser. You will record it and from each configuration remove the states. You will find the derivation of the string, rightmost derivation of the string, rightmost sentential sequence of rightmost sentential form for derivation of the string. Okay. in reverse order. Okay, and we will discuss remaining on next one. Then we will go for the how to construct the table, glorious table, SLR table, LALR table, because construction of these tables are very important as far as competitive examinations are concerned. Okay, thank you. और आपको कोई परेशानी